I was skeptical about the marketing, especially the anti-hair wrap claims. In a home with a mix of old hardwood, deep pile area rugs, and a dog that sheds constantly, I figured I was the perfect person to break it. It's not a perfect machine, but for the first time in years, I'm not cleaning my vacuum after I clean my floors. Design and build quality. Right out of the box, you can tell this is not a lightweight stick vac. It's a heavy-duty, old-school upright, and it feels like one. At around 17 pounds, it has some serious heft. It's all high-impact plastic, but it feels dense and durable, not brittle. The main canister and dustbin click into place with a really solid, satisfying thunk. The swivel steering is surprisingly nimble for such a big machine, but you absolutely feel the weight during a long cleaning session. It feels more industrial than some of its sleeker, more expensive competitors, and I mean that in a good way. Key features in action. Let's skip the spec sheet and talk about the 3 things that actually matter in daily use. First, the floor head. Shark calls it a DuoClean PowerFins system. This just means it has 2 rollers. Up front, there's a soft, fluffy roller that is amazing on hard floors. Instead of scattering crumbs or kitty litter, it grabs them and pulls them in. It also buffs fine dust off my hardwoods, making them look polished. Behind it is the main finned roller for carpets. On my medium pile rugs, this thing digs deep. The amount of fine grit it pulled out of carpets I thought were clean was genuinely embarrassing. Second, the anti-hair wrap. This was the feature I was sure was a gimmick. My old vacuum's roller looked like a wig after one pass. After 3 months of testing this against dog hair and my wife's long hair, I pulled the floor head apart to check. It was almost perfectly clean. It just works. This alone saves me 15 minutes of frustration every month. Third, the powered lift away. You can press a button and the main canister and motor lift off the vacuum's stick. This turns it into a powerful, portable canister vac. The key word is powered. The main floor head keeps spinning. This is a total game changer for cleaning under beds, coffee tables, and dressers. It's still heavy to carry, but it's brilliant for those hard-to-reach spots. Performance and daily reality. The suction power is incredible, almost too much on its highest setting. You will need to turn it down for throw rugs, or it will try to eat them. On main carpets, it just pulls and pulls. The complete seal HEPA filtration is also excellent. As an allergy sufferer, I've noticed less dust in the air after vacuuming, and there's none of that hot vacuum smell. It is loud, though. There is no getting around it. This is not a quiet machine. It's a deep, powerful-sounding hum that tells you it's working hard. The dust bin is easy to empty, but you will be emptying it often because it picks up so much. Limitations and trade-offs. This vacuum is not for everyone. My main complaint is the weight. This is a heavy machine. Hauling it up and downstairs is a genuine workout. It's also very top-heavy. If you use the hose wand and pull it just a little too far, the whole vacuum will tip over and crash to the floor. It's happened to me twice. And that odor neutralizer cartridge? In my experience, it's a gimmick. It's an air freshener dial on the floor head. It does make the room smell, but it feels unnecessary, and it's another consumable you have to remember to buy. I'd rather Shark had spent the money making it a pound lighter. Final verdict. So, after 3 months, here's my recommendation. Buy this if you have pets that shed, a lot of carpet, or a mix of floors. Buy this if you are tired of cutting hair off your vacuum roller and you want a powerful, deep cleaning machine that feels like it will last for years. Skip this if you live in a multi-story home and have to carry your vacuum up and downstairs often. Skip this if you want a lightweight, quick cleanup tool or if you have mobility issues. This is a heavy-duty cleaner and it demands a bit of muscle to get the most out of it.